By now, you'd be well aware of the Raw 4x4 brand and the top-shelf suspension gear they've been producing for almost 10 years. But did you know that the brand is owned and distributed by a company called POWERDOWN? POWERDOWN are an Australian family-owned company that have been in the suspension industry for 30 years, largely servicing the truck market with heavy-duty shock absorbers and suspension components designed specifically for Australian conditions. This extensive industry knowledge was used to develop the Raw 4x4 shock absorber range, using the same heavy-duty principles as a truck shock and tuning them for 4x4 applications. Raw 4x4 have one of the most advanced variable stroke dynameters in the country. Working off a large hydraulic pump, the dynameter not only measures the forces of the shock absorber, but can be used as a diagnostic tool for data replay, destruction and longevity testing. The data acquisition equipment allows them to record the worst on and off-road conditions and replay these in their lab to build a shock absorber that is going to go the distance in a variety of terrain. When designing a suspension system, the Raw 4x4 team leave no stone unturned to develop a package that meets the individual customer's needs and requirements. A full analysis on a vehicle is carried out when designing a new suspension package. To begin the process, a ride analysis is carried out utilising some of the diverse terrain available in the Hunter Valley, with various loads and passengers. To simulate heavier loads, weight bags and water dummies are used to quickly and effectively simulate extreme loading conditions. This gives our engineers the opportunity to see how the vehicle behaves in all conditions. After this data is collected, the OEM springs and dampers are removed and tested for spring rate and load carrying ability. The above data is then calculated to determine spring and damper ratings for prototypes to be developed and tested for ride comfort, load carrying ability and overall suspension control. The same full vehicle analysis is carried out with the new prototypes before going on an extensive trial period. Raw 4x4 are one of the few companies in Australia who actually design, develop and manufacture our own shock absorbers in the Raw Predator range. The locally manufactured Raw Predator is based on a fast-acting monotube design, incorporating a unique variable flow piston that has been specifically designed for the four-wheel drive owner who is looking for a combination of comfort and control. The Predator is at home either on or off-road with sharper steering response, less body roll and improved traction when matched with a Raw suspension kit. For more information, check out www.raw4x4.com.au.